Today we're excited to launch the new BackboxFinder from B-System. A completely rebuilt experience based on our promise to make it easy for installers, integrators, distributors, and brands to find the right installation backbox for any speaker model and the exact building situation. Building situations such as concrete ceiling, precast ceilings, brick and masonry walls, drywalls, and suspended ceilings in combination with more than 600 speaker models in the database create almost endless possibilities. Let's see some more of the highlights from this launch. Launching today with 30 brands and more to follow. Up-to-date speaker data with over 600 included custom install models. All new solutions from B-System have been included. Additional relevant information about the B-System solution is displayed with each individual results page. Users continue with their journey directly from within their BackboxFinder configuration, requesting a quote or generally inquiring their selection. With this new version, we're bringing even more speed, efficiency, and security through precise and instant feedback to the whole speaker installation workflow. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, we're happy to hear about it.